So today we shall learn about basics of customized fertilizers. Why actually customized fertilizers? What's the reason? These are the different emerging multi-nutrient deficiencies in the soil. In the starting phase, only nitrogen is deficient, but now phosphorus, zinc, potassium, sulfur, manganese, boron, molybdenum are all deficient. In Indian soils, nitrogen, zinc, boron are mostly deficient. If the scenario continues like this, other nutrients and micronutrients may also become deficient. So in order to combat the multi-nutrient deficiencies, one of the best approach is to utilize customized fertilizers rather than going for conventional fertilizers. These customized fertilizers are devised on the concept of balanced nutrition, means right fertilizer at right time in right doses in right quantity. So what is customized fertilizer? Customized fertilizer provides best nutritional package for premium quality plant growth. It provides all major nutrients, micronutrients to the plant in a sufficient manner based on their requirement. Multi-nutrient carriers are designed to contain macro, secondary nutrients, micronutrients, both from inorganic and organic sources, and they are supplied to the crop based on their nutrient requirements by testing the soil plant nutrient status by using different methods, and they are manufactured and they are applied into the field, which supplies plants in a right quantity of nutrients. So what are the objectives? The objective is to promote site-specific nutrient management and to increase fertilizer use efficiency and to achieve target yields through balanced fertilizer application. So what you are going to do, you are going to establish yield, X amount yield based on the crop total needs, and afterwards you are going to apply fertilizer based on the soil test values. For example, if the soil has 20 kg nitrogen, plant requires 30 kg nitrogen, so the deficient is 10 kg. You are going to supply this 10 kg of nitrogen from external sources through different means, different fertilizers, and the plant is utilizing this 20 kg from indigenous sources, means from the soil. This is how you are protecting the soil from deterioration, and you are achieving your fertilizer use efficiency, and you are also promoting site specific nutrient management. So if you look at the conventional fertilizers like urea granules, DAP granules, MOP, sulfur, so the specific gravity is higher than water. So whenever you are applying water, they are going to soluble in the water. These are mostly water soluble. After that, what happens? Because of the poor bulk blending of the conventional fertilizer, this fertilizer may be washed away or it may be leached out, and some part will be taken up by the plant, but not all the fertilizer is taken up by the plant because of irregular timing or whatever may be the reason. So or maybe the irregular disturbances near the root zone, some part of the fertilizer may not be taken, this will be lost. So the fertilizer what you are applying is not completely utilized by the plant, so the response will be low and resulting in yield reduction, and the fertilizer which is left in the soil may cause deterioration in soil health, so ultimately leading to soil degradation. This is what commonly happening in case of conventional fertilizers, where the farmers are using in more doses than required. If you look at the customized fertilizers, what happens? These are being fusion blended. Means all these fertilizers are blended. X, Y, Z are being blended in industrially based on the location and crop specific. For example, X crop and Y place. What nutrient is available in Y place? What the X plant requires. Based on that, you are devising your own fertilizer based on the crop and location, and afterwards that is what it is called as customized fertilizer. After that you are going to apply the customized fertilizer in the field, then the plant takes the fertilizer where it efficiently utilizes that and gives you the better yield, and because of that soil health will also be conserved. Since here the most important topic is based on the location, based on the crop, you are making your own fertilizer, that is what it is called as customization, and you are going to supply to the plant. Because of that you are protecting the environment, you are protecting the soil health, and you are saving the farmers income. So this customized fertilizer should be highly promoted among farmers community. Now presently evergreen revolution is being promoted. To achieve nutritional security and food security, you have to promote these customized fertilizers. How you are promoting? By demonstrations, result demonstrations, method demonstrations, field trials, and devising your improving your soil health card status, following integrated nutrient management services, fertilizer metering services, and sensitization the concept of customized fertilizer among farmers. So how to arrive at customized fertilizer? Georeferencing of chosen area. The area what you are choosing should be under satellite images. You have to take the spatial data, spectral images from the particular area. You have to collect the samples and you should go for statistical procedure. Samples you have to take, those samples should be analyzed. What analysis you have to do? You have to do soil analysis, plant analysis, and water samples of that particular area for different nutrients. For soil, you have to do all values. For plant, you have to test how much NPK present in the plant body, and water samples through irrigation water, how much nutrients you are going to supply. Other one is defining management zones. You have to define the management zone, the zone what you are going to select. Next, you have to target yield. Based on the target yield only, you are going to devise a fertilizer based on, for example, your target is 500 kg per hectare. You have to devise the fertilizer in such a way that the plant gives this 500 kg per hectare. Computing crop removal of the nutrients. How much nutrients are being removed by the crop, calculating nutrient requirements of the crop, blending of nutrients based on the generated information. With all the information based on the samples, based on the nutrient status in the soil, plant and water, and based on the yield what you are targeting and the plant what it is requiring, all these factors you are going to take into account, and you are going to devise a customized fertilizer based on the crop and location. Why we have to promote customized fertilizers? Very for improving quality of the crop, for improving productivity, for increasing nutrient use efficiency, for improving and restoring the soil fertility, and developing scientific data by using georeferencing geospatial data. It supplies major and micronutrients along with the same time, and cost of fertilizer will be reduced so that economy of the farmer will be improved. So why you have to promote customized fertilizers when compared to conventional fertilizers is, in case of conventional fertilizers there is bulk blending, means you are physically mixing the fertilizers, where that may lead to segregation and that may lead to irregular distribution in the root zone. But whereas in case of customized fertilizers, you are blending or you are melting them and blending them so that it will be compact, and each granule will have all nutrients. There will be supplying micro and macronutrients simultaneously, and there will be uniform distribution around the root zone with no segregation. Whereas in case of conventional fertilizers, you are going to apply nutrients individually, or you are going to supply nutrients at different times, so the plant may not take the amount of nutrient what you have supplied entirely at that point of time. So this may result in irregular distribution, irregular intake of the nutrients, which are resulting in low yields, and they may create nutrient imbalance and soil degradation. But whereas in case of customized fertilizers, already you are studying the data, you are studying the crop, you are studying the area. Based on that data, you are going to devise a customized fertilizer based on the soil, based on the plant nutritional requirements, based on the targeted yield. Because of that, you are going to supply nutrients in all micro and macronutrients together in a correct proportion, so that the plant is able to take that nutrient what already it is, means you have based on the plant requirements only you have devised the nutrient, so that it is able to absorb entire nutrient and give the higher yield, so that this helps in restoration of soil health and promote balance in nutrition. So customized fertilizer, what you are going to do, you are going to apply right nutrient in right ratio at right place and right time, which is leading to higher efficiency and higher yield, and restoring the soil health and promoting environmental conservation.